Kiana's outfit for today.
Yeah, and I have shoes.
Minnie Mousey.
Yeah, and it's so fluffy in here.
Minnie Mousey. Yes, guys, happy Friday, y'all.
And
We're going shopping today just to get it's just saved me because usually Saturday or Sunday I go grocery shopping, but I decided to just do the grocery shopping today since that we're going to Kmart to find stuff for Katie's birthday this Sunday. So lights off, Kia, and then we go. Okay, Beth?
yeah.
Ready to go?
We have a cat now.
No, Sassy, you stay here, okay?
And don't poop in here.
Okay. See ya.
We're here at the shops.
No, not yet. We're in the car park and we're about to go. Are we ready?
Yeah.
We're ready, Beth?
Yeah, but we have that one. So that holds the phone and that needs to
It started with the whisper.
Okay, guys, see you inside. We might take you shopping too. Watch out.
take them.
Going inside Kmart. Do you wanna get a basket? We go get the basket.
Already, and I
What
have
you've got?
this.
You've got the PJ Masks.
Yeah, and I have that one here.
And this one, Katie would love this. I might get just one. They've got a collection in there up there. Is it nice? Yes. Try it on. And you look at me. Look at mommy. Ooh, it's so shiny. It's like a mirror.
Have Kinder Surprise.
Really? How many are going to get?
Okay, Chaos, Katie's, Tasty.
Just one for you.
Okay.
And so you're getting some for your sister. How many? You're going to get two? I'll get two then. Two for
Yeah,
Casey and Katie.
Look out, here she comes.
today Katie's birthday.
Yes, you read it. You read it out of my mind. Today, yes. So today is Katie's birthday. She's turning 8, and I'm gonna be baking some cupcakes.
It's Katie's birthday.
Okay, this will be done in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
Happy birthday, Katie. Early show.
All right. So what's
Wow, that's fantastic.
so the colors that we're using? This actually came in the packet.
Oh, really?
Because I want red.
Wow.
Okay, so we got.
It's a mud cake. Is it cookies and cream cupcakes? It's 12 cupcakes. I hope that's enough.
Cardboard, and not you.
There's a chip in there. You can touch it.
What is that?
Just hop it out, It's only a little thing. It's a little grasshoppers. So pick him up like this. And then, see, he's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Look at that. Okay, it's ready to go. 20 minutes, eh? We'll check it after 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, ready to go. Oh, look at that. Yeah, they've come up pretty good. And see if there's any liquid. No, see, it's good. Okay, let it cool and then start the birthday cake for her, okay? Your birthday cake.
I don't make it.
Why?
Mummy buys it.
No, you're going to make one still, aren't you?
No.
You're not making it now?
No, Mummy said. She's
Oh, so
gonna
that's
buy
it?
She's just gonna buy it.
The chocolate cookie ice cream, is it? Chocolate cookie icing.
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream icing.
Cookies and cream cupcake.
Cookies and cream cupcake.
We ate 2.
Casey's beautiful cupcakes.
Even mine.
Katie's birthday.
Yes, it's my cupcake.
Katie, how old are you? Katie, how old did you turn? He's 17. 17.
8.
8. Here we go. All done. All done.
Must be delicious.
What's that? Loot bags for you
No, it's for Katie.
and you and me.
No.
Lots of loot bags. None for you, Mummy. Only loot bags for the kids. Let's do it.
Today it's Katie's birthday!
Yeah.
Someone's turning 8.
Yeah, so we did
I helped her
What happened to the icing? Actually, it's better than this one. The icing, her icing looks better than the cake. Alright, let's start the cake.
Okay, sisters, siblings.
Hit it!
Okay, sing.
Happy
birthday to
you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Katie.
Happy birthday to you.
One again. One more. One more.
To you.
Not yet. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, hip hip for Kia.
Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Yay!
Hey, claps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one for good luck.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Blow. Yay!
What is it?
Shopkins.
What is it?
Oh, you can make your own shopkins.
Must. What is it, a book?
That's what I saw.
That's got to be a book.
Wow.
What is it?
It is a
Pencils, is it?
Pilates. I'm not looking. What? What is this? What is
Hey.
it? What is it?
What is it?
What? Yay!
Is it a slime ball? It is a pony. Kia wants a birthday too. What's that one?
Seriously?
What is it?
Slime.
It's a slime kit. We can make the best slime in the world. I want to make the best slime in the world. Slimy, slimy stuff that can get in Mummy's hair.
Slime starter. More slime.
More slime.
You just keep on doing this.
Did you know I have slime up my nose?
Why do you love slime?
Slime is great.
Give me it.
Casey's going to want slime now. What have you got? You got slime too.
No, it's a cupcake.
Looks like slime to me. Oh my lord.
God.
Woohoo! My birthday next. Oh, I'm the next one. I'm the next birthday. Are you eating more? Make a wish and cut in the middle, from the middle. The icing on that's almost as good as the icing on the cupcakes. Kia likes the icing on the cupcakes, don't you?
Let's see what the girl's doing. Look at these. Look at these. Disco light. Disco light that Katie got for this from her birthday. Oh, that's awesome, awesome, awesome. What's sleeping? We'll see you next time. Say good night, Bobby.
If you want it beside me,
Okay.